Hello, Merry Christmas and a prosperous Happy New Year to you in advance. All right, we are all anticipating ending the year 2024 and entering into the year 2025, and we are all expecting and anticipating the good things that the year 2025 will come along with. And I believe that it will be to you according to your faith, and your faith will not be dashed. It's going to be a great year for each and every one of us. But before we end the year 2024, I just want to teach you something that will be of a great help to you. And this is a way to approach this classic hymn, what a friend we have in Jesus. You will agree with me that this hymn is a real classic hymn. All right, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can approach this song that is quite different from the traditional way of approaching it. Something interesting is coming your way, right? So let's quit the talk and get right into it. We're going to be on the key of C major for this lesson. All right, on the key of C major we have this. Yeah, that's the diatonic scale of C major, which I do believe that you know how to play that. All right, so we have this hymn as do. All right, so the number 10 is to go from what a friend we have in Jesus. That's to go from the 1 to the 4. But let's do this. Let's start from the dominant. Okay, so starting from the dominant, like I always tell you, always prioritize your melody. Your melody should always be at the top. Okay, so we have this. So this is what? This is more like a C dominant 7, a D, a C dominant 7, a rootless C dominant 7. I'm omitting the first chord, the root chord, right? The root note rather. So we have this. But also we can see it as a G minor, all right? All right, so you have this for the first, but I'm going to include the roots. Now you can have it as a C9. Then the next notes, we have this. All right, we have a what? A G minor add 9. Yeah, a G minor add 9. Then over here we go back to C7, which is a C dominant 7th. All right. Then we go to the 4. Remember, I did a grace note like this. Then we go to that one, to the 1. Then you can do this. Yeah. And you have what? A G7. So again, to the 4. So over here, what am I doing? If you look at it from the F sharp perspective, this is what? F diminished 7th, F sharp diminished 7th. And also, if you look at it from this perspective, it is what? A diminished 7th. All right, so to the 2, okay, then resolve to the 1. This is one approach. This is a way. This is a way you can approach this hymn. Now let's look at another approach that it looks similar, right? It's kind of similar, but it's different. Now, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So we have this. So this is what is G minor add 9. So I'm going to do this tritone. Or I just do this alone. This is a tritone, of course. All right. And that's a tritone already over this. And then we resolve to the 4. To the 1. To the 2, that's the major 2, which is a D major. And we can have it as B minor also. And this is G7. We are going back to the dominant. You can do a roll from D to E. This tritone, I love the dissonance, right? And then resolve to the 4. Yeah, I'm still playing this. All right, so that's an approach. Another approach is to start from the major 7th, and we have that as this. All right, before I show you this approach, I just want to tell you, you've got to watch this tutorial to the end, because this particular approach, it's another fantastic approach to this song. All right, and if you haven't subscribed, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this lesson and hit on the notification bell. One more thing also, our first batch of training for early intermediate pianist players and beginners players for 2025, that's the novice to pro online piano class, in which I'm the lead tutor. Our next batch of training, group training, will be starting on the second week of January, and it will last for a period of 6 weeks. So if you missed the trainings for this year, do make sure to latch on and take advantage of this training, because you're going to be learning a lot of things that you might not really get on this YouTube channel. No, yes, and again, this lesson or this training will be one of the best ways to start the year. It's going to help you to level up your play, and this training is not free. Yeah, you're going to pay a token for this class, but I tell you, it's going to worth every penny and every cent, every dollar or every naira, depending on your currency, that you pay for this class. And if it's something that you love to be part of, just check the description box. A link to message me directly is in the description box. Just message me directly and get yourself registered. It's gonna be an amazing time together to learn. All right, so let's continue. So like I said, the second approach is to start from the major 7th. If you check the way I'm playing this, I'm prioritizing my melody to be at the top. What a friend, right? friend we have in Jesus. Yeah. So I'm doing what? I'm doing F minor. Jesus, all our sins are grief to bear. I'm going to the to the minor, to D minor directly. I'm still going to make use of this to resolve. This is what a D flat dominant 7th flat 9. I'm going to use this to resolve back to 1. Okay. Yeah. Then to the 2. To what are G7 flat 9. I'll go again. C major 7th, a G minor at 9, a G flat. Okay, I'm making use of what a G flat dominant 7 or F sharp dominant 7th. To F minor, to C major, then I'll resolve to G7. So I'm doing what? So what I played just is C, D, and E flat, F, G, and E flat. So on this chord, while waiting to resolve back to the 1. Oh. Don't forget that chord. You do this. This is another fantastic approach to this song. You can actually start from the dominant or G minor or C dominant, like this, and you can start from the major. You can start from a major 7th. What a friend we have in Jesus. Then all our sins are grief to bear. What a privilege to come. Oh, yeah. Everything to God in prayer. Da 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 So you can do so. Da 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 da. Then da. Okay, da da da. So you can do this. After playing this, then run an arpeggio. Da 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 da. Right? So this is a very interesting way of playing this hymn, you know. It sounds great. It sounds good and special. So, like I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and like this lesson, share this lesson. Also, like I said, if you want to join the Novice to Pro 6 weeks first batch of the training for the year 2025, go into this description box right there and hit on the link and message me directly and get yourself registered for this class. Yes, I'm even going to say it. This class the registration fee is just 10,000 naira alone, and for the first 5 people that will be registering from this class, from my YouTube channel, I'm going to be giving you more like a 50% discount for the first 5 people. Yeah, so for the first 5. Oh, that's too much, right? I will make it the first 2. All right, the first 2 persons gonna have a 50% discount. You'll be paying just 5,000 naira to learn for a good 6 weeks. So if it's something that you would like to be part of, quickly send me a message and get yourself registered for this class. All right, maybe I'll see you in 2025 by the grace of God. I will see you in 2025, and 2025 we are going to do great things together, you know. Thank you very much. I'll see you once again. Happy New Year in advance. So I could do this. Okay, so bye. Happy New Year in advance. Happy prosperous 2025.